Me there fi spill the tea today. Mr. George and the goat in a him taxi. Me no know how Mr. George no shame after what happened this week. But you know me, Granny have to tell you the mix up. Come closer because the tea hot. Alright, so Mr. George live up on the hill, you know. Him have one whole goat where him say him can't part with. Him call the goat Maggie and him treat it like him picnic. Me nah lie, the man and the goat close like bread and butter. But hear this now. The other day George decide to take Maggie to the market. Me say him dress up the goat with one necktie and everything. Him say if me a go town, Maggie have to come too. Now tell me, who bring goat pan taxi? The man go down to the taxi stand with Maggie. And the taxi man say, man, me can't carry no goat in a me car. Why? But George say, Maggie clean. She nah do nothing. After a long argument, the man finally let them in. Me say halfway down to town, the goat start to act up. Maggie jump on the back seat and start eat the lady bag beside her. The woman holler out, driver, stop the car, stop the car. The goat a eat me purse. The driver say, no sir, me done with this foolishness. Him pull over and tell Mr. George, come out of me car. Mr. George say, me pay me fare and me pay for Maggie seat. Yes, sir. Me say, everybody in the taxi start fi cuss. The driver fling them out of the car same time. Maggie and Mr. George end up walking to town. And when them reach market, the whole market start to laugh after them. As Maggie have the lady purse trap still in him mouth. Moral to the story is, leave the goat them home. Not everywhere good for carry company.